Hello, welcome my friend. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel first. Please share questions in the post section every day. You can also solve the questions. Now we have been given one beautiful France Math Olympic question. Logarithm over x, 27, plus logarithm 9 plus x is equal to 36, and asked us to find x. Now logarithm over x, the number we call 27 is the third power of 3. Plus 9, 3 squared above the logarithm. I can write x is equal to 36. The logarithm as a result of in the expression we call a 2b, this exponent is given as b. Fell in front of the logarithm. I can write b times logarithm a with the same logic. Let's apply it right in these parts. X to the third times logarithm 3. Plus, I don't do anything to it. Logarithm over 3 squared x. I said equal to 36. Now considering exponential numbers. Above a, how could I write b's c's power? I could write it to the power of c to the power of b. And what were they equal to in the end? To the b times c is equal to, if we apply this feature immediately in our trial. I use this expression x to the logarithm 3. Base 3 plus. I change places with this too. Logarithm 3 over x squared is equal to 36. I can write as, now what can we do next? Let's remember a feature of logarithm again. Logarithm a above b in base c. Look, these two could change places. I can write the logarithm on c base b as a. I apply this immediately. Which one will I apply? Of course, we are thinking of applying it in this part. What will happen if these two are to be replaced? The logarithm 3 over x. Cube plus logarithm over 3. X squared is equal to, I said 36. Now this logarithm, it says base 3. We need to give a name to the expression we call logarithm x. Similar in both because the expressions came, what am I saying? The expression we call logarithm x over 3. Okay, I'm writing this in our equation right away. M cubed plus m squared is equal to 36. Let's send this number 36 to the other side. M cubed plus m squared. Minus 36 is 0. Now I want to think a little. What do I want to think? Well, if you pay attention to the number 36, we need to change a little. So the identities I know, I need to apply to this question. I will try to solve this question by using identities. I immediately thought of writing this, friends. M cubed minus 27 plus m squared. Minus 9 is equal to 0. Now if you pay attention to this part, it says 27 here, he said cube. It says 9 in this part. What did he say here? He said square. This came to my mind right away. Remember what they were? We had the identity we call a cube minus b cube. How could I write this if we think right away? A minus b in brackets times a squared. What can I do with plus a times b plus b squared? I can express yes, nice. At the same time, a squared minus. We call b squared a minus b times. Again, in the form of a plus b, I can express, now I bring this what I found. Where will I apply what I found? I will apply in this expression, but right now our equation doesn't look like this. Let's try to simulate a little more. So what do I mean? M cubed minus 3 cubes plus. I can write m squared minus 3 squared is equal to 0. If we transform it now, m minus 3 in brackets times m squared plus 3 times m plus 3 squared. Plus, now I open this statement. m minus 3 in brackets times m plus 3 will be in brackets again. If you pay attention now, guys, m minus 3 is here, m minus 3 is here. Then I complete the equation here. I can get m minus 3 common multiplier bracket. Immediately I wrote m minus 3 in brackets. This statement will come as it is. M squared plus 3 times. M plus 3 squared is 9 plus 3 squared. I closed m plus 3 parentheses, I said equal to 0. Now this means that the expression is 0. What if the algebraic expression here is 0, or the algebraic expression here is 0? What are we doing right now? Minus 3 equals 0. In this case, what is the value we call m3? I switch to another, if I edit this m squared plus. When I collect these statements for m plus 12 is equal to 0. Now this is one equation from the second degree. What should we do with it? We need to find the roots. What do we have to do to find the roots? We have to go to delta or discriminant. I think about it right away. What is delta equals? We find b squared minus 4 times ac. What is the expression we call b here, friends? These 4. What is the expression we call a number in front of m squared 1? The expression we call c is the part here, that is 12. Using them immediately. Let's try to calculate delta. What happens in this case? 4 squared minus 4 times 1, 12 is equal to 16 minus 48. Delta is equal to minus 32. Now what is this to me? Says delta minus 32. Requires it to be smaller than 0. Here is a real solution. Says not, friends. So I can't take this question from here. Then what will I do? Where will my solution come from? It will come from the part we found. What was the expression I said m in the beginning? If you pay attention, this is the expression I said m. The expression I call logarithm x over 3. It was equal to 3. Look here, 3 logarithms say x. Actually, what is here? There is a secret one. These two are equal. I can say it is. Then the logarithm x is equal to 1. You know the logarithm is expressed in base 10, so the logarithm base 10x is equal to 1. What will come from here? If we process this with the expression we call x is 10 to the 1, 10 will come. So our answer is gone, guys. There was a number of 10, really. Does this provide? Let's give it a try right here. What is the value we found? X is equal to 10. I'm cutting this here. What is our equation? I'm trying to write instead right there. X above logarithm 27 plus over 9 logarithm x 36, but I'm looking to see if x is equal to what we found. We found 10. I'm taking this right away and putting it in place. Over 10 logarithm 27 over 9. Logarithm 10. I wonder if it is equal. 36, look at these statements. Could change place. Over 27 logarithm 10. Let's enlarge plus. What happened? 9 over logarithm 10. See if it is equal to 36. Now if you notice logarithm 10, we said it was equal to 1. In this case, our expression here is 1. Our expression here will come 1. 27 plus 9 is equal to 36 is indeed provided. So what will our answer be in this situation? It will be 10. Please don't forget to like and follow. I say it again. I share questions in the post section. You can also solve the questions there. Goodbye. See you in the next video.